I had a $7,000 month so far in the month of June, and I'm a mom over 50. So the majority of that is from digital products that I did not create. And I'm sure you're probably curious, like, how did you do it? Well, I'm going to get to that in a second. But first, I want you to know that it's not the surveys or the apps or the games or those dinky little like side hustles. I needed substantial. So if you're looking for a way to bring in substantial, if you're looking for a way to bring in extra income, then that's what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about a better way because I needed something real legit that works, and that's what I'm going to share with you. And we're just going to get right into this. So my title for this was From DoorDash to a 7K month and How I Make Money Online Over 50. So let me share this with you. Um, this is what I personally made in my business this month after being willing to learn, staying consistent, and putting in the effort. I started this business in 2024. It's been 2 years. And your results will depend on the work you put into building your business. So I love this because I was a struggling mama who was door dashing back in 2024. 40 plus hours. That would have been me in my black Suburban hustling. And I was exhausted and I was tired, and I'm a homeschooling mom. I am a mama of five, and I have two grandchildren right now with a third one on the way. This is just us hanging all out, a bunch of us. Um, and I love my family and I love homeschooling my children. So, anyways, I kept praying about trying to like find a way to bring in an income, like more instead of the dash, because the dash just wasn't working. And the worst thing that could ever happen to a dasher, if you can just imagine, happened to me. My car broke down. The transmission went, and I found myself without a job and without a vehicle. So, as I'm scrolling on social media, okay, like many of you guys are, I was looking for a laugh. And I was like, you know what? Anyways, this girl pops up and she starts talking about God. She's talking about homeschooling and she's talking about making boatloads. Well, I was like, yeah, okay. And I did what many of you would do. I scrolled. Okay. Well, I was wrong. And I'm going to tell you why I was wrong. Because 2 days later, well, here I am 2 years later, but 2 days later, after I lost the truck and I lost the job, I was like, I saw her. She popped back up, and I said, "Hey, do I need a degree? Like, I don't have a degree. I don't have any fancy skills. I just needed a way to make money and from home." And she was like, "No." I said, "Can I do this from home?" She was like, "Yeah." I said, my last thing is, and it's a deal breaker, and it might be a deal breaker for you too. I was like, "Do I have to be on a phone?" I don't want to be on a phone. I got kids and they're loud, and you just heard something drop. Okay. That's mom life. And anyways, so she answered all my questions. And I started this. I started this scared. I started this a skeptic. And you're probably wondering, what the heck did you start? Well, um, I actually promote digital products. And this is the name of the products. So I have a program called Legacy Builders Bundle Pack. You have to be willing to learn something new. And I was willing to learn something new. And you got to put in the effort. It's a business in a box made for beginners. And that's the simplest way to explain this. Now, I'm going to come back to that maybe in a minute. We'll see. But I'm going to tell you my mistake. Okay. And if you're still watching this right here, you can actually just use your phone, take a picture of that, and you'll just see you can actually grab my free blueprint, and it's going to give you all the details for this business. So I'd highly suggest grabbing the blueprint. You can also grab it. See that scrolling address right there, that website. So you have two options, there or there. And let's get back to this. So, I will share with you, I'm actually an owner of two Etsy shops. So I learned this the hard way. I learned how to create digital products way before, as you can see, 3 years. It was probably a year before. Yeah, a year before. And here's the problem with these. So that's mine. That's mine. 2.5 years. I did them at the same time. But let me tell you what my mistake was. My mistake was this, and I'm actually going to grab my board and I'm going to show you guys. So having digital products is like the best thing you can do. I'm going to tell you why. Uh, the best business you can be in is digital because there's no postage, there's no packaging, there's no shipping. And I knew that. I knew I wanted to be in digital space. So like I said, I learned the skills. I created the products. They're in demand. So three things you need. You need in demand products. Well, they're in demand. Great. Check mark. They were high quality. I made good products. So they were digital and in demand. The third thing is exactly what I got wrong. And let me quickly show you this. Okay. I'll show you on my little whiteboard. It's like my best friend when I'm doing this. If anybody knows me, I love my whiteboard. So if I have a $3 product here, I'm going to show you my mistake. And let me just show you. Let's say I have a 14 one, right? And we want to hit 14. So this was my mistake. I have a $3 product, and now I actually have a 14. I have 5 different products. But watch this. I need 467 customers to hit this, if that was my goal. Right? And over here, I need 1. Very, very big lesson learned. And I have to stop myself from going back on those Etsy shops. So, do you want to learn the skills to attract 467 or do you want to learn the skills to attract 1? I think that's pretty much a no-brainer. I don't think I need to explain that anymore because I'm sure you get that. So, I didn't understand that. I wish somebody would have told me that. I wouldn't have put in all the effort that I did, but I didn't know there was another way. So, and that brings me to where I'm at today. So that's what I do. I promote digital products. These ones right here. I promote these. And as you can see, hold on, let me get rid of that. As you can see right here, so 8 customers times 1,400 is 11,200. That's only 2 customers a week, just to show you, just to give you a sneak peek. Okay. So I've already made 7K in June. And look at that. Like when you're promoting high priced point products, there is a huge difference. Huge difference. Okay. So I have days like this now, 6 and 14, that's 2,000. You see, when you're promoting the right product and you don't have to make it, and on top of that, I have what is called an automated system. So let me just share that quickly. So when people go to my website, Granny's, okay, they have to drop their email in and then they're going to see a video. Okay. So it's a whole automated system. And I'm not going to break it down right now, but I have a business in a box where I have 10 different products. And I'll explain it. So in this video that I will share right here, I'll put it on this side. I don't want to go into details right now because this is just a short video for you. I just wanted to share with you that, man, I found the thing that works. I found the business that works. I found a way to bring in substantial. And for me and my kids, it literally saved us. This business saved us. And I'm going to walk you through it on this video. Where am I? This video this way. Is it this way? I'm mirroring myself so you don't see me the same. Anyways, so be sure to grab that blueprint if you want to get the details on this right away. I'll share this right here. So over there, grab that, just take a picture of it, or you can also right here on the scrolling thing, and I'll even put it in the description. I'll pin something there so you can just find it there as well, whatever works for you. Okay. I just want to thank you guys for your time. then yes, having a business where you're learning the skills to get your business out there with digital products that you didn't create. No, you don't have to have tech skills. No, you don't have to have a degree or have experience. You have to be these two things. Are you willing to learn? Are you willing to put in the effort? It is a true business in a box made for beginners. You'll be a part of a community, my community plus the main community. I will get into all the details in that video that I will post right here. I got it. Now, have a blessed day or night.